If you're having low back or sciatic pain, then this is the sequence for you.
Let's go.
Hi, I'm Jenn Witaconis. I'm a yoga instructor in the Tampa Bay area, and we're gonna get down on the ground and do some low back alleviating, sciatic pain alleviating exercises here. This is also a great cool down for any workout that you do in your day. So let's first come down onto the hands and knees. You could swing the legs around from there, and you'll find a seated position, lower down softly onto your back. And so just take a full body stretch. Inhale, reach up through the fingertips. Exhale, interlock the fingers. Inhale, press the palms towards the earth. Exhale, bring the right knee in towards the chest. Take an inhale, try to keep that bind. See if you can keep the bind, or if you need to loosen it a little bit, you can, and rotate the palms of hands around to press into the right knee. Pull that right knee towards your right shoulder. Keep the sacral spine, the center area between the two triangles at the bottom of the pelvis, equal to the earth. Exhale, release. Inhale, full body stretch again. Exhale, interlock the fingers. We get that stretching for the wrists and the shoulders and chest. Pressing the palms up overhead. Inhale, and on your exhale, left knee comes in towards the chest. Take an inhale, reach the bind up, try to keep it. If you need to loosen it, do that again. Palms of hands cap off the left knee. And pull it in on that exhale. Pull in towards the left shoulder. A little bit of spinal strengthening and balancing out first. And you do what you can. If you start to feel any pain, sharp pain especially along the spine, you're going to release the pose. Take an inhale, reaching up one last time, full body stretch. And exhale, starting to bend the elbows. Inhale into a goalpost position, bending the knees now, sending the feet down to the floor. On your exhale, go ahead and cross your left leg over your right leg. You're making a figure four. And if you can't quite get your left leg crossed over the right leg, then you're just gonna soften the knee a little bit more to do this. Then, using the energy of your legs, take an inhale and start to lift the four up towards the chest. Exhaling, bringing the four in. A few breaths. Drawing the shoulder heads evenly back into the earth. Inhale. And on your exhale, try to bring the four now over to the right. Pick your head up and shift your chin over the left shoulder, if that feels all right on your neck. If not, you can keep your neck neutral. Always options. On your inhale, you'll bring it back into center. And exhale, release the right foot down, uncrossing the left leg. On your inhale now, cross the right leg over the left leg. And you see how my right foot is flexed. You want to check in that you can engage your ankle, so you're sending the stretch into the correct places. So you want to flex your foot and dorsiflex, lift your toes a bit. If you can here, pressing the right knee away from you. Take an inhale with the strength of your legs. Start to bring your four up towards your chest. Exhale. A few breaths. Just until you feel it. Take an inhale here, and on your exhale, take that twist. So the four comes to the left, and pick up your head. Shift your chin over the right shoulder. Try to keep the chin just about parallel to the shoulder, not tucking it or lifting it too high. Try to relax as much as you can, sending the breath in and out through the upper stomach, center of the upper stomach, using the diaphragm muscle. On your inhale, bring it back up to center. Exhale, drop the left foot down. On your inhale, uncross the right leg. Let's do that full body stretch again. Let the lumbar curve drip down towards the floor a bit as you reach out on that inhale. And on your exhale, you can bring your arms to your sides and lift your right leg. On your inhale, flex your right foot, and you may need to reach up from here, bending your right knee. So either way, you're going to reach up, right arm reaches, looping peace fingers to the inside here of the right big toe. And then you'll start to straighten out your leg, pulling your right shoulder head back down into the earth. And you could take your arms still to your side. You could take palm up. That would feel really good to keep the left shoulder down and back. If it feels all right to bring it out in line with the left shoulder out to the side, that's great too. Let it fall the way it will with palm up. If the leg is not straight, the knee's bent, and that's okay. We're breathing through it. Inhale and exhale, bringing that right shoulder head back down. Good, take an inhale, release the right leg down. Your arms can be to your sides. Exhale, inhale. Left leg lifts, flex the left foot. Take the right palm up. If you'd like to reach the right arm out, you can do that. Bend the left knee as much as you need to lengthen your left arm up, looping the peace fingers around the left big toe, and then drawing the left shoulder head back down into the earth. Good. Press through your heels, both heels. Press and lengthen through them. Inhale and exhale. You're deepening on your exhales, maybe beginning to straighten the leg, and if not, leaving it the way that it is and just being. Keeping the sacral spine evenly pinned to the earth. Good, take an inhale and release the left leg. Exhale now, bend the knees. This is a happy baby pose, lifting the tops of the feet, the bottoms of the feet, towards the ceiling, towards the sky. And then reach up and see if you can catch the outsides of the feet. Press the tailbone back down into the earth. So very bottom of the pelvis presses down to lengthen the spine, and even some rocking is fine. A little baby rocking is good if you like. As you deepen, inhale and exhale. Your happy baby. Good, take an inhale, come back to center. Release the feet. Bring your knees in towards your chest. Still with that tailbone, press down into the earth. Reach your hands around your kneecaps, or you can pull your knees in around your shins, arms around the shins. Hug yourself in, tailbone down, nice and long through the spine. Inhale. Exhale. You can take a few minutes pause now if you'd like, or even just a minute is great in your day, just to pause and relax. I hope that gave you some back relief. And I have another video that I think would be great for you. It's the best stretch to do in the morning. Don't forget to scroll down to the pinned comment below and check it out. Please like and subscribe below, and make sure to send me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you again in the next video.